Hey, YouTube, we're going to do this Broncho song called Taj Mahal. It's about high fashion. I think they're using octave fuzz on the guitars because there's a live performance where he just clicks it on and then the sound gets much different. It's not an alternate tuning. Maybe I look like Tina. So far, you're looking behind. All right, there's a little rhythm variation on that part where he's singing "Shots Are Fired." Stays 2 measures on the A. So most of it is just C minor A, G sharp minor, back to C, and then it stays 2 measures on the C minor. Right? But during that "Shots Are Fired" part, it goes kind of like stays on that A longer there. Right, and you can hear that in some different live performances. I saw 2 different ways that was played. So, if you listen to the record, it definitely stays on that A for 2 measures. And then there's this F sharp minor to E minor. All downstrokes. And back to the C minor. And then with that part where he's like, so does anybody know who's having sex? Does anybody know? And then they go back into the regular progression. Anybody know who's having sex? Okay, it's about fashion. High fashion. Very super high fashion. Okay, thanks.